Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Kohl step by step clearly. Research the current financial status of Kohl's Corporation. Visit reliable financial news websites to gather data. Check the company's stock performance and market trends. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage that suits your investment style. Complete the necessary registration process for your brokerage account. Deposit funds into your account to prepare for purchasing shares. Use the search function within your brokerage platform to find Kohl stock. Review the stock's profile, including its current price and performance metrics. Evaluate any recent news about Kohl's that may affect stock prices. Decide how many shares you would like to purchase. Consider using a limit order to specify your buying price. Review your order for accuracy before finalizing the purchase. Confirm your order once you are satisfied with your selections. Monitor your investment regularly to track its performance. Be prepared to adjust your strategy based on market conditions. Consider setting alerts for significant price changes. Stay informed about retail industry trends that may impact Kohl's. Evaluate your long-term investment goals periodically. Decide whether to hold, sell, or buy more shares as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.